Ebushafo ma munyina akwa ba Ghana Asem TV GH. But your message like, comment, subscribe, then your notification also so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Bushafo yako NSM anyway.
We forget. And then, for instance, BC is going on. No name, sir. And I can tell you, say, over 50, I would like to say, over 50,000 Ghanaian children who should have been writing this exam today are not writing. Why? Money registration fees. Money registration fees. And this is where we have reached as Omayo. Imagine what will become of those 50,000 plus children. Moko school from primary 1 and JHS 3. And because of BEC registration, your educational journey is truncated, has come to a sudden end. And yes, these are the things Akufo Addo was trying to prevent. These are the things Akufo Addo was doing everything possible to prevent. Akufo Addo was paying the BEC registration for all our children. You didn't have to think about anything. What they say, prepare for the exam on the D-Day, take your pen, your pencil, whatever, and go and write the exams. That was the kind of privilege we were enjoying under President Akufo Addo for 8 years. Suddenly, NDC for back, and because they don't believe in education, they believe that education should be a right for the privileged in society. That bamuni Akufo amufre efie kese no, they should have the privilege of being educated. Uncle Alex, is saying that is what NDC believes in. So over 50,000 children are in the house today. They are not going to make it to senior high school. Through no fault of theirs. So you understand when we tell you that elections have consequences. Elections, is not just about say uko jinaho, uko to abamani pa ofeli, uko to campaign kwen se pre se jomaha mai. No. Elections are much more beyond that. Elections have eternal consequences. Yeah. Ebia, akolabia ontimi ankochro BC because of there's no money in the house. Maybe he might become the next armed robber. So he's becoming a problem to the state. Yeah. And such could have been prevented. Government could have easily absorbed all those costs. But they have other priorities. And no mabano. You cannot even know what they are spending the money doing.
Me wo physical realm, me wo human realm, me wo one realm no. Mamu mientie womo. Womo na edintra na yedi akofa obi a wonye abisia so. If you say omum strategy no, on say omunim se omani mu ye ya amanfo ebekwa sore no aya na omusa because obi anya dwuma ekoye ebe den weja saa time ne ho yese wokwa sore awia anopa ananyo anajo omo benya kwa sore aye nwumre anajo no mu anajo pa no nipa no wada efisade eche onim se okudi pa bi no wakonye sika bi no ayedai odi abedidi nti omumpenisa nti ese ekofa obi a obese oman no kojo to abesi so said ye beya omuno ye osofo obi tonko obi kura na se yento a ose me kwa sori fi akogye mpaebɔ okonso a se 1 cedi okonso ni sika 2 cedis a no de 1 cedi akɔbɔ afɔre akogye mpaebɔ na ka ne 1 cedi na de bia ho kyerɛ ne wɔ ne so saa asɔfofo no enedi John Mahama ne NDC fo achi o omne di omachi enti mumeye nhwe ne yenka ne ye na ento amanfo asofofo no omu ka bi na oman no enkoye because na me de me kodu spiritual realm number friend say me kofu kodu number 9 oman kasankasa chichem because omu kwa nyom ni obi na ekọ no ma bɛka no ɛde ahurahura manfoɔ na ɔmayɛ
boss
yeah.
The same also for to me cause spiritual ram no wa war baako for up to now no ba bia ntra obi o to me cause spiritual ram no o to me war kra pontra
me say no mu de ahurahura saa no mayɛ na ya chusu ai ɔman no akɔchusu obi a ɔde bɔne ɛna bɛdi ɔman no so hwɛ mo ka yɛka yɛ friend say dumso na Dubai dumso ekoi dumso koi nti obi etimi nya adwuma ye obi kretimi bubu nsuo ade kɔhyɛ fridge na dane iceberg no de si kiregum no de friend say cocoa powder sa cacao powder de agugu ni ade na dane ice cream no otonton men nkwala no mutinton bi no de nya ni chop money okoskua no kutiska ene dumso no obede no ayese niema we baba fo ebi no mukasesi baba ebu okosuri ano omasha da to abegum se o electricity no ebe ya dwuma paade a
eno na bia na agune chamber wo twa ntro ebota de ho woni atete so ama wo mo
oh obo anka wonka hwe bia ne se
50 Ghana cedi sen
say 50 Ghana no ye 500 o
enzo no ka 530 oni de sidan wa yi
oh eti say your friend say John Mahama mu bayi electricity bia ne se o ma say 3 to 2 years ansa na electricity betimi agina so won ntro mo twahye mu ho chese nipa ho be kire na to end of the election no ma yese electricity abegina so satan no ma kopa bisia bi ato fu abegum na then omono a sustain electricity be 3 months bi no m dia be election mumu yanka criticize ne ma ni nyina mfiri ne ya na John Mahama de no nye president ese ma ne bebiem efise he media me say odi yamfa na don to nkyɛn ni yamfa Bawumia emegina ho the policies at Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu Bawumia as a vice president na mo hwɛ the policies a NDC for the whole NDC eba ban mu a omo de ba mo nkyerɛ me when it me the policies ba as a vice president the policies or the by Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu Bawumia ba no say there be ye me omo kowo a omo bre obi yare a obre any ade ambulance yenkra na bimra the whole Ghana near what 3 ambulances po the whole Ghana obai the whole Ghana you be constituency be any ambulance more than 350 ambulance and no de buy and this is for bomb
ambulance
na said the omudi ba nya na fe de ono adwane se odimirika se yenima yemebusa se na enya ambulance na ebia obi kwakura bi ase na sade asa na ukoto ne kwaso na de na tram na de ne ko ɛnyɛ sana John Mahama ɛka
abane na ebeto fu egum free anase renting anase
wɔde bɛgyegye ɔmo sika koraa hwɛ wodi ani 3 months wobɛhu ɔmo bɛba abɔnten abɛka sɛ o John Mahama ayi na ɔde baa no ɔmo bɛtɔn maa yɛn ɔmo bɛtɔn maa yɛn
me point ni say omo the course brɛ omo ka kyerɛ the course a course sa abobo ya no omo afa course bi aba
afei na ɔmo ba bɛtɔn ama ya timamufoɔ no hwɛ Alhaji Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia Bayi as a vice president yɛnnim koraa no agenda 111 wonim nipa a bɛfa wɔ mo hospitals wonim nipa a bɛfa wɔ mo wokɔ aburokyire baabi a sisi ɛyɛ hospital nipa adeɛ sɛ nya nipa yare nipa nyini yɛpɛ nipa ahwɛ wɔ mo ne adeɛ adwuma a yɛ the cheapest one ɛwɔ ne saa doctors ne nurses adwuma yi wokɔ baabi a woduro sisi a nakɔyɛ kɔ so a wobɛnya bi ayɛ baabi a busa America ifo baabi a kɔ nakɔyɛ course 6 months 1 year ubenya bia yesisi ana Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu Bawumia say yemfa jeda 111 imra na mfa embostu adwuma wo oman ni mu ensu nkofo baayi wahun de omoye omo boso krada dabi mumu se mudi friend say 24-hour economy ba say 24-hour dum so na mode ba on say me say mamum compare Kufuor ene Nanado kura presidency to John Mahama ni NDC mum compare Bawumia vice president ni 8 years obedi ni policies or the buy to John Mahama ni NDC Bawumia I fashi policies amakra or the 35 policies and the bureau my Ghana mu ebo my Ghana NDC for send omudiaba good for all ya Bawumia de buy nya no ma buy o ma betani ni good for hwan ya omudi hu sika yi Ibrahim Mahama betimi abeton bia ma wo mu yi when this policy ni buy enya Bawumia enti me say mom high class
I've got a baby brother called Casey.
na anu kwa na hon menti asio God ni nyina mo say gold board nkwa na all right so beto gold o Ghana no Ibrahim Muhammad didn't even have a tongue. Then what is the point?
I said Ibrahim Mahama purchase onu gold board na betimi ato gold o Ghana nti onu akonya gold ni bi na wo beton enti Ibrahim Mahama se busa se gold board na ma usika ana o de kototo na obeto ama na krokro di John krokro da adanko da de en wo de da o my Ghana for
because what they are about abaso if you say
Pastor Baba catch
Pastor na pastor no bakokra no anti Ghana
what America
oyiwa etu onu de ekoso no oyiwa etu onu de ekoso no on feel bi
Besat
yes dear aguyetie wo
so obi frao so enti wo hwe sanye ma we nyina wo bebusa ho se ena Ayɛka se ena network no voice network no em se nyina so network no ena me no ka se yesi yewura Ibrahim Mahama etima beton gold ama gold board na bibusa se yade site imani bosu me say na edi papa na tima beton gold
100 tons
100 rade Ghana pa
Sancheni Nyankopon
Ghana dia some miracle working God I dia miracle
100 tons
awon wade nko na NDC abani yo
anka
hwe NDC nko na wonim say omada omo supporters ni say transformers na omo ya no President John Mahama ba ya no Accra transformers na bo omo je adi
Transformers na
yewura Akufo Addo containers na ode buy na omo si ayira no eno omo mpɛ so omo bɛka kyerɛ omo titafo nse adeɛ no Ghana aban agye asi ho dada wo ma omo followers no na TikTok eno ano omo ka na Kevin Taylor na e promote na omo so agye adi mene wo ka say Kevin Taylor na di ka kyerɛ omo say NPP fo na etwitwa jato Transformers nim na no so omo agye adi afekura de omo say NPP engineers na wo ECG regionals no na ekɔ so dum so no eno so omo agye adi na mbusa say enti NDC pa da be na NDC youth no ebetena se pa na omo asua de na enya me wanwa afe na misat mati die enti aye beto aba no omo say dokono bo ayedin ene yentimi nto aduane yentimi nto tramo yentimi enti asa wokwa wonim say yewura dondroma dondumelu MP mua wonim say wano aduane a wo cheche wokwam
mnim say aduane ko person
na sebin prediasa wo ya MP wo ka so anu akoche aduane ayu waso abo ya che aduane Isilegon ya che aduane Isilegon ya che aduane
say come de omo ana ekum come from them
hey chese wo mama MP na yafoa ma MP mua wanu aduane cheche
ukoko pedan bi asia ma wo mo jo so
na what you see de bia me ka me say
upon kroma wo si school dan demand nkofo ni
so what you see
muti kromo MP mu be se be hwe ni mu aban na
aduane na wo no acheche MP mua na me ya me busa se enti me hwe MPs na bebre wo sika bebre ye ministers me busa o mo se adenti na ye se o mo constituency kura no yenya rent deficit and say housing deficit wo abra mo betima single room self contained na mo dia eno nko ade me bo honorable Muntaka Abaso any oba ne constituency a wo buildings are de rent 3 months wo 6 months wo on die eno nko ade Muntaka ya de
only property and buy there na NDC.
There be any property, but one rent deficit our form. Nipa ha no ho nkopre dan. A dan boy ye the constituency ho. Because one kasa besisi bebre apartment bebre aye de rent wa. Other ones in me busa say omo wo northern omo ye MPs any ministers who northern regions no omo si bi atia boy ana. E dia no omo ya the 3 northern regions. And so Sankofo ne sorry a on beba bebusa Asante region for say e dia na MPP ayamom
Aguna Chimba aya 5 northern regions aya 5
anya 3 one me da say 5 northern regions
Aguna Chimba
uminia
aya 5
yo unia me da say hwe uba Asante region misat Asante region for kura enihwe no omo rent elfo omo dan na ne boofo wo ko rent dan 2 bedroom 3 bedroom self contained uba Asante region ubeti anya bi 1000 1002 Accra nko aya 3500 3 bedroom self contained 3500 ebi kura 5000 a month Accra
more than that more than that at the penny area no more than that
what you see and so me sit tech 3 bedroom 1000 and 1002 3 bedroom self contained enti dia nkoa na other regions no muntimi nkopim free Asante region de bia no mo pese mudi Asante region tribalism etia MPP for
Aguna Chimba Accra ha chima self contained 1500 e be 1700
ebedu dansumai baby ame wono 2000 Ghana cedis a month a diamond kitten o 2000 Ghana cedis na mbusa say aduma be na youth be ya obe raise 2000 Ghana cedis every month dia tua a dime ko light ni nsuo mai enti media na NDC for can reset na John Domero o ka say ya ba rent be ya 3 months rent be ya 6 months say ni nyina krokro di John wo ba ya no wajan emo na wo be no acheche emo na wo be no acheche enti menua enkofo wo so bi meja ma obi aka say ba bia mpesa